Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. This is my maker for makergeneration.net. So today we are already in October. So you know that at the end of the month this is Halloween, and I enjoy the time, the October month, to make all different tutorials for you on Halloween, maybe electronics, coding, 3D printing, all type of things on Halloween. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, give a like to the video if you like it too, and stay tuned, and also subscribe to the newsletter on the website. So today we will make a tutorial on Scratch. On Scratch. So as you know, so you go to your web browser and you type Scratch MIT. It's up to you. So it take a few seconds to load. And you click on the second one or the first one, depends on what project what web browser you have, and you click on start creating, and it may take a couple of seconds to load everything, so be patient. So today we try, since it's Halloween, and what we'll do, we make a game. So it's also gonna be with a maze. But that time in this maze we make an object follow our arrow like this in the maze until we arrive at the destination, and we may need to find something. So I show you what we need to do. So close this. So now I want you to go to choose a sprite here, and since it's Halloween thematic, so I want you to go to fantasy, just right here, and let's scroll down. So we take the result. So we got the result loading. We got the result here, and usually this is it, and we got the win here, the result win. So with all the two things, so we don't want the cat no more, so we can just click on delete for the cat. So I want to click on the wizard here. I go to costume. I want it smaller. So what I do, I select all of it. And I make it smaller. I make him smaller. And I want to move it here. And also the wind, just right here, I want it smaller. So I click just like this. And I make it smaller. Oh, it's too small now. Oh, it's just a little bit smaller. There we go. So the purpose is I make a maze here, and I move my mouse, and I want the wind to go where I'm going till we arrive here. So we make different things. So let's start and make the backdrop right now, and we click on this, the cube. We get a nice color. Okay, there we go. We make a small cube like this. I make another one like this one. Oh, what's going on? Yeah, I need to. Second one like this. Okay. Now I need to make a third one. There we go. What I do is that I move the wizard here. And so what's going on is that the wind will follow the mouse like this till we are right here. And when it touch the wizard, the wizard will say, "Yeah, you found me." Okay, so let's start with the wizard first, and we go back to code, and there we go. When we're here, as you know, when we start, we click on control. I'm sorry, and we have the book forever loop. The forever loop. So if you don't know how to use it, what it does, please you can find more videos on previous previous video tutorials I've made before, so you can click on them and it shows you the different step by step on Scratch. So you can find the links in the description. So what it does, when I click on the flag, if I want to say if the when touch it, it says you found me. So we need to go to sensing now. So touching, if touching the when, there we go. We go to looks, say you found me. You found me for 2 seconds. Okay, there we go. And now we go back to the when. As usual, we go to event. Start with this. You can start with something else, with a key space bar down. So it's up to you. I just do this to be simple. So now we click on forever, and we have a bunch of if now. Excuse me. We don't need if for that. I'm sorry. I had another tutorial in my mind. So forever, we go to motion, and what it says is glide to random position. Glide during 1 second to random position. So we can do this. And what I do, I want it to follow the arrow, the mouse arrow. So go here, mouse pointer, goes like this. Okay. So I think that may be it. Let's give it a try now. Okay. We go slowly. There we go. So you can also change the glide time. Let's see what happens when you touch it. You found me. Yeah. So click on stop. What I can do is when I click on stop too, I may want the wind to go back here. Where is it at? Come back here. Yeah, you come back here. So you can see where it is, minus. I want it to go back there when I click on the arrow. So motion, go to that position when I click on start. So let's try one more time. There we go. We'll be quick. There we go. Let me click on start. Okay, so it goes back, and I can also do something. Let me click on stop. Let me see. Okay, if touch when. Okay, no. When I click on that, yeah, I want it to be okay. So that's good. What I was about to say. So I can change the gliding time. Let me take 2 seconds. Take longer to arrive, so you can choose the speed you want. If you want it to go faster, you know, you're kind of a risky guy, you can try that. Okay, here we go, like this. It may be funny. Let me show you why. So now we got it. That's a pretty nice game, and it's easy to do. So what you can do, you can scale it, you can make it go bigger or go bigger. You can make those go smaller, it's up to you. So let me go back to my backdrop now. Costume. So if you want to change it, okay, you can use this, and you can change it as ever you want. You can make it be a bit smaller. So that's it, guys. That's all for today. So I hope you really enjoyed this small video. It's pretty simple, so you can do it at home. You don't even need too much guidance to do it. So as I said before, if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, click the bell also, and give it a like, and also check the other videos that I have on electronics, on Arduino, on 3D modeling, and also 3D printing. Also more to come, so it's every week. So you should be a subscriber, and if you haven't done it, also go to the website and subscribe to the newsletter. So every week you will see things on what's going on worldwide in the tech world, what's the last products in the open source community also. So see you next week, guys, for more video on Halloween.